Hi, I'm Wade Summerlin
And I'm Mike Pridmore
with Utility Service Agency. Today we'd like to talk to you a little bit about Preformed line products. PLP was the original innovator in formed wire products, as well as a myriad of pole line hardware products that are used in today's distribution, transmission, substation, and telecom environments, all of which are made right here in the US of A. Today in particular, we'd like to talk to you specifically about the cushion grip suspension product. The beauty of this particular product is I don't have to put armor rods with the installation of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick second. Mike's going to show you how to install this on this piece of conductor.
So I got a CGS 1097 here, printed on the housing, laser engraved is the part number, the bolt torque, 40 foot-pounds for this particular unit, and the range of diameters that it will accept from a conductor standpoint. So this is how it comes. You'll see that the bolts are threaded into the captive nuts on one side of the housing assembly. We will pull the cotter key and remove the pin. I'll give that to Wade. And we will take the top nut and back it out. And there is a rubber washer, as you can see. We will roll that rubber washer a little bit toward the end of the bolt to allow this assembly to open up. The bottom nuts, we have those threaded back to where the bolts are just about level with the nuts. This assembly is now open. From a de-energized standpoint, you can now come from the bottom, close it, and begin to tighten the top nut and the other nuts in a circular motion. If you were coming from an energized standpoint, you can grab this assembly on the nut side with a hot stick and come from the top, come over the conductor, close it, start the threads on your what will be the top bolt after you spin it, spin the assembly, and tighten your bolts to the specified foot-pounds in a circular pattern. At this point in time, the installation is complete. This is a CGS 1097 from PLP.
Please reach out to Utility Service Agency to have a full demonstration of this done at your utility. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.